So, big, bad, Tyree, loser sneeze. I guess he's getting big and bad, I guess. One minute he talking big trash. Next minute he's talking about focusing on his career. What career you have? Sneeze. You have no career. You're a crappy rapper. No, you ain't even a rapper, bro. I ain't giving you that title. Only people get that title is a good rapper. You are a terrible rapper, a terrible human being. The only thing you do well is run your mouth and hide like a little girl. You want people to feel sympathy for you? Get the F out of here, man. Did you feel sympathy for all those people you was trashing? Did you feel sympathy for those N-word you was saying to everybody? For no reason whatsoever. You ain't no freaking you don't feel sorry. You just want somebody to kiss your butt and you crying like a little girl. I got a mental thing. You know how it is. Man, shut up, man. We care less about your little your mentality of, oh my god, oh my god, I'm sick. Oh my god, I'm sick. Stop it, bro. Just stop it. This is what cowards do. They try to talk tough and then come right back with oh god, I am like tired. I'm so tired. People just tell me I should just focus on my career. You have no career. Talking on YouTube is not a career. Rapping on YouTube is not a career. Wow. And you said you had a career. Wow. I tell you what, if this was a career, bro, you better get out of it, because you're already homeless. I don't think you can go further. No, is there another level from homeless? I mean, good Lord, bro. You're just a loser that just keep giving and giving and giving. Sorry about that. I'm taking a sip of water. But bro, you are a pure loser. Ain't winning ain't in your bones. Ain't no winning nowhere. Whoo. Because if you were a winner would have never said that you have a career. Being a racist piece of crap is not a career. That's the only thing you do better. You do better than anybody else is a racist. Boy, oh boy, one day you saying you ain't getting no opportunities to rap because you the minority and all the blacks get all the contracts, they get all the jobs. Bro, you need to just man up and get the F off of YouTube, because you are a loser and I'm never going to stop. I'm never going to stop. Because you know what? Unlike you, I have morals to stand on. And I would never fall for something stupid like you. You need to learn how to freaking be a man. You know why you'll never be a man? Because you know why you're scared to be a man. It's too hard to be a man. So what you try to do is you try to make people feel sorry for you. And once they start feeling sorry for you, sorry, but you revert right back to being who you are. A racist piece of crap. You are a maggot. That's the only thing you are. Instead of you worrying about subs and this or that, you need to worry about trying your hardest not to be a loser. Brother, that's gonna be a task unlike, that's gonna be like trying to find Bin Laden. And it took a lot of years to find him. It's gonna take even more years to find your manhood and your toughness and your willingness to stop being a complete loser. And you would never stop being a racist, because that's just who you are. A racist piece of crap. So stop being a pussy. You hear me? Stop being a pussy. Pussy.